Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use tab groups in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. So open multiple of these tabs here first. Okay. Now I wish to group all of these tabs. Right click on the tab and select add tab to a group. Now we don't have a tab group, so let's say MSN tabs as this group. Okay. Now I've created this tab group. All I need to do is that I need to right click on it and select add to group and add to the MSN tabs group. Okay, and then I can simply click on it to show these tabs and not. This is an excellent method of classification in Microsoft Edge. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.